they're building a trap, but I.
But what?
Well, I just want.
What do you want?
Well, I just it is a sparrow. She saved my life once, and can you kind of sort of spare her a little?
You mean like I spared you once some time ago? Let's see now. Why would I ever do that?
Because
you promised to be my spy in the sky, remember? Right, my friend. I am the king of the birds, ruler of the sky. You understand that when this Oliver tries to turn the birds against me, then he must go.
I want to resign.
Pardon me, I didn't quite catch that.
Never mind.
Good. That settles that.